What is going on YouTube? And we have ZURU Ballers FIFA 2026 unboxing. 2 balls with these fun little characters in. Who will we get? Hopefully we get a Harry Kane. As long as we get one Harry Kane, that's the main one I want. Harry Kane, are you in here? Let's see. Here we go, unboxing. Super excited because we're actually going to 2 games. So there will no doubt be some videos on that. Oh, and there are the balls. Very cool, and here we go. Okay, here we go. Which one should we open first? You choose.
The one closest to me. This one.
This one? Oh, this one. Okay. And who's it you wanted?
Donnarumma, Italy. Any of the Italian team. Harry Kane. Soccer. Italy or England. Excuse me, allergies. Sorry.
Will we get a rare one or will we just get regular? Harry Kane, as long as we get one Harry Kane, which we probably won't. Okay.
Oh, and a Messi. Probably won't get any of them. Don't know until you open
Okay, here's the little, let me just quickly show you this so people know the deal. Who will we get? No cheating. No cheating.
What's up?
That's the base bit, isn't it?
Oh, it's just the base, so we didn't get
Should we open the base first?
No, we didn't get a special one.
Let's open the base first, the bit of grass.
Boring.
Oh, don't tell you who's in it, does it?
I don't know. I've never opened one of these, so
Oh no, I think I just did a spoiler alert.
That one has a coin on it, so that's what I'm confused.
But on the coin it looked like
Looks like Kane.
it did look like Kane.
Shut!
Oh my word!
You're kidding me, we got Kane.
First one out the spoiler alert.
That's awesome.
I thought, is that Kane in the thing? I thought, oh, I'm not supposed to be probably looking at this. I thought you're supposed to get a card.
No, but we got this fun.
How cool is that?
That's amazing. So
there is the boy.
So a lot of them come with just the card, but this
this one.
little. It's even though it's cardboard, but still isn't special coin. How fun is that?
I saw that and I thought, that's Harry Kane. I thought, no, I don't want to cheat.
What are the chances we'll get Messi on the next one? Probably not. Donnarumma, probably not. That one's mine. I said I chose that one.
Okay.
I can't believe we got a Kane. I'm so excited.
How good is that?
And that's the...
It's not the rare one, is it? 'Cause it's got some weird...
that's the regular Kane.
Wonder why I didn't get a regular card.
Does he have his mouth? No, his mouth isn't open. I don't know why I didn't get a regular card. Because the ones I've seen have all those little cards.
So I'm like the worst person at opening these. How good is that?
That might mean something in the game. That's a good sign.
Okay, number 2. Does it show the ball? You get a little ball as well.
Oh, just...
Okay, this time I'm not going to open the other one first.
Oh, what did you get?
Here comes the football horse. No, it feels
I
like
thought that was something.
feels like the ground again. Who are we going to get? I'm sure we're going to be like, who is that guy?
What team? Oh, wait, that's a Barea. That's Italian. Wait, what?
My wife's grandmother's Italian, in case you wonder why an American's getting all excited about Italian. 21.
Oh, no. What is Italian?
Bastoni?
It's Bastoni.
And it's Italy?
I just saw Italy and I didn't even pay attention. Yes, he's Italy. How funny is that?
Oh, the card's well small. I thought the card's going to be way bigger than that.
No, it's teeny.
There's this card.
I cannot believe out of the 2 of my favorite teams, we got 1 from each player. Or 1 from each team. A player from each team.
So though, how good is that?
I'm so excited.
Harry Kane. Okay guys, that was it. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one. See you later.